Box CLI gives agent tools like Claude Code a simple file system interface for working with content in Box. Here's a folder of documents I'm going to process in just a couple prompts. We're asking Claude to use the Box CLI to find these files, read them, extract the key fields, and write that data back to each file in Box. Under the hood, it's issuing authenticated CLI commands step by step, just like a developer would in the terminal. When it's complete, those extracted values are written back into Box as metadata directly onto the files themselves. Next, we'll ask Claude to create a summary spreadsheet from the processed files and upload it back into the same Box folder. And here's that spreadsheet uploaded back into Box with a structured summary of every file. Box CLI turns Box into a cloud file system for agents, so workflows like this can run directly against the content already in Box.